Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make jean face mask. This mask from jean and I hope you like it. Don't forget subscribe, comment and share my video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make this mask. The materials are jean, fabric, scissors, needle and thread, elastic rope, ruler, pen or pencil and paper. The first step, we make a pattern. We take a paper, pen and ruler and we make a pattern. The length of 25 and the width of 18 centimeter. And then from the corner we need 5 centimeter. And 5 centimeter and we connect. Like this, and each corner we do the same process. Okay, then we cut the line. We cut the line and this is the pattern. After you make a pattern, we copy the pattern on the jean and on fabric. We have two kinds of fabric, jean and the fabric you can cartoon or depend on you. Like this, we need to and then we start sewing. Keep sewing around and give space. Here it's about 7 cm or until 10 centimeter. Okay. First you skew. Like this and start sewing here. Keep sewing around and from here you give space 7 until 10 centimeters. You can sew by hand or sewing machine. Like this, and this is the space. This is, you can flip the fabric and the good fabric, the bad fabric is not visible. Like this. Okay. Now you take a elastic rope, the length of 17 centimeter. You need 2 pieces. You put here and you secure. Like this. You fold and start sewing from here. This one. You keep sewing until here and you fold this one. You sew here. Okay. You do the same process with the other side, like this. Okay. And this is the result. Okay. You can sew here to make more beautiful. Sew from here until here to make line. Also the other side here, like this. Okay. And the last, you fold like this, and you sew from here until here. Yeah, like this. Okay, and do the same process with the other side. And you sew. This is the result. You can see the inside, and the jean marks has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.